Hey guys, how's it going? Adrian back with you for another video. So I just want to quickly show you my progress on this custom house before I take off for the day. So I started this house 4 working days ago, and overall I say it's going pretty good. So what you're looking at here will be 26, almost 2,700 square foot, 2-story house. Actually feels quite a bit bigger. This first floor is pretty massive, but on the upstairs, it's actually, I guess it'd be more like a loft. So basically, this whole area here will be roof. Trusses going side to side up until about 12 feet back, where it'll turn to scissor trusses. And basically, you can see my raised wall there. There's going to be another raised wall here, and then a raised wall in front of it with the same radius on the arch. And so here you'll see that I have these scissor trusses that are going to go right here, as you're going to see in a different video a couple days from now. But I've notched in this double 2x8 header to take the weight of these trusses sitting on here. So just got to finish some inside walls here. I have a shower here, a couple closets, and I have the bearing wall that runs inline right through over my steel beam below. And then right here, you can see this opening. I have a raised high wall, double 2x8 high wall. The jacks, they want 4-ply, and it's going to be quite a massive wall. But thankfully for me, I have the local crane company right there. So I plan on using them to do this lift, because I don't think, no matter how many guys you put up against that wall, you're going to be able to lift it. I have no way of getting my machine back there. That's a little tight, and I don't want to go near the foundation because it's still kind of fresh. Obviously no access back there, so really crane is my only option. I can't actually lean this and build it on an angle, because this here will be all open to the stair opening here. So I don't know if you can picture this, but this right here, this wall here that's laid out, will be the extent of the loft floor above. So basically, all of this is roof. These trusses will go all the way up to here, and on an angle above there will be a railing looking out to where we are here, open to below. Guys, anytime you see open to below, for those that you don't know, that tells you there's tall walls involved, 9 times out of 10. But anyway, this will be my outside bearing wall, and so I'll have a double LVL flush going over here, and then floor, and then I'm gonna have floor here going to here, boxing off here, and running along in line with that garage wall. And obviously there's floor above here, and basically running rim board right through there, and then floor. So quite a bit of roof to this house, but I'm really looking forward to it. I was lucky enough to have the roof layout and all the measurements ahead of time. So guys, when you're doing bigger houses, that there's a lot to get right, a lot to get straightened out, always insist and ask for the truss booklet ahead of time so you can make sure all your overhangs are correct. It's kind of important, and it makes the job run a lot smoother. They don't always, they're not always the same as the blueprints. A lot of the times they are, but the odd time they're not. So when that's the case, I like to have the truss booklet in hand. Anyway, guys, I want to show you something really kind of funny, and I've actually never seen this before. And so in this garage, they have this whole garage is scissor trusses. So let me know in the comments below whether you've ever seen that before, encountered that. Probably some of you have, but yeah, so my plan is to actually leave this front garage wall down until the roof comes. I believe Saturday right now, so I think the roof is coming on Tuesday. So my plan is to have that truss and build that garage one shot with the trusses. I actually really wanted to have the house wrap here so I could just do it on the walls before standing, but that wasn't the case. So we're gonna have to actually wrap this house with the walls already up. A little bit of a pain, but it can be done. It has been done. So anyway, one more thing. Whenever I'm doing custom houses where, say you need some extra wood, and it won't be available because you have to order it. So usually I like to put a stud on either side of the wall intersections, but because it's a custom house and I want to make sure I have enough wood to finish each stage. So in sections like this, I've actually left the 14.5 blocks out, and I'll just cut them out of scraps. There I've put it 27, 54, 81. I do that on a 9-foot section to the center on the top. But yeah, it's just one of those things that when you're doing custom houses, like sometimes you have to put studs in right away because it's a lot easier. Like right here, I have a point loader above these two LVLs running this way, so it doesn't make sense to leave it out. But with customs, I build more of a shell, if that makes any sense, and then I fill in afterwards just so I have enough wood and I can keep going. So anyway, guys, hope you're enjoying your weekend. I'm about to start mine. Take care, have a good one, and bye for now.